So you wanted to find out which is the best for you, PayPal or Wise. So let's get started. First of all, what I wanted to do today is to discuss Wise. Now, if you don't know what exactly is Wise, Wise formerly known as the Transfer Wise, before it was Transfer Wise, this is a digital payment platform that allows users to send your money international with low fees and real exchange rates. It's trusted by millions worldwide and can help you to make real exchanges rates. It's trusted by millions worldwide for its transparency, speed, and cost effectiveness. With Wise, you can hold and convert money in multiple currencies, making it ideal for freelancers, business, and expats. That's something that we actually truly loved about this kind of application. You can compare price live directly into the actual Wise application, and you don't need to have an actual account in order to do this kind of stuff. Now, on the other hand, speaking about the PayPal, PayPal is one of the most widely used online platforms globally. This one allows users to send and receive the money securely, make online purchases, and even accept payment for businesses. Now, PayPal offers various services including the PayPal checkout. They have the PayPal.me, and including the actual PayPal business, catering to individuals and businesses alike. If you're based into the United States, they even come with something called the PayPal Cryptos, which you can buy and sell cryptocurrencies directly from PayPal, of course only available into the United States. Now, talking about the features and the benefits. When it comes to features and the benefits, both Wise and PayPal have their strengths. So Wise, for example, stands out for the low fees, transparent exchange rates, and multi-currency account, making it a cost-effective solution for international money transfer. On the other hand, the actual PayPal offers seamless integration with online store, buyer, and seller protection, and wide acceptance across the e-commerce platforms. That's the reason why when it comes to any kind of social media, website, social store, whatever, you might see the option that says pay with PayPal, because PayPal is almost available anywhere. Now, focusing into the fees and the actual pricing. Of course, talking about the fees and the pricing, Wise is known for the transparent fee structured with low conversion fee and no hiding charges. Now, PayPal on the other hand has something else, some certain transaction charges fee, including currency conversion fees and withdrawal fees. While PayPal fees may vary depending on the country and the transaction type, Wise generally offers more competitive rates for international transfer. And this is the part where we actually talk about a little bit about our actual experience with the PayPal and the Wise. We actually work with a lot in several of freelancers across the whole world. And when it comes to making payments, we actually made payments from PayPal and into Wise. And we can tell that it's much more cheaper to send payments for our freelancers directly here into Wise, because the conversion actually has a really low fees, and they actually are having the money the same day that we send it directly from our actual customers. That's the reason why we actually use Wise to pay to our actual freelancers. And lastly, we have the customer support and the reputation. So both Wise and PayPal provide reliable customer support through various channels, including emails, you have the chat, and the phone. However, Wise often praise for its responsive support team and of course positive user reviews. Now, directly here into the PayPal, they have faced criticism for the customer services and account hold. So in conclusion, both Wise and PayPal are affordable payment transfer and with their own strengths and weaknesses. So you want to consider the trend specification need, the type of transactions you'll be making, and the fees involved into what choosing between the two. So guys, I hope this comparison helps you make an informed decision. If you find this tutorial helpful and informed decision, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content in finance and technology. Thank you so much for watching the video. Hopefully with all of that being said, you find out which is the best for you. See you next time.